Namaskar. I am Rakesh K. Singh from USS Pestcon. Today we will discuss about new technology of termite treatment, that is called the termite tube technology, which is the recently developed and now it is following everywhere. So what is the concept of this termite tube? So let me just explain how it works. This kind of tubes we used to install under the soil, under the surface, on the final soil level of any building. After that, you can put your PCC, marble, tiles, whatever you want. The purpose of installing this termite tube is that in future also, if there is a reoccurrence of termites, then we don't need to drill and destroy the structure to fill the chemicals. We'll have already installed tube there where we can put the termiticide to control it. And even for the protection purpose, we can use to repeat the termiticide after 3 to 4 years, so that there will be no termite problem in future in your building. So let us discuss what is that. Concept is that we used to put this kind of a structure under the final or you can say under the floor or marble, right? This kind of a structure we used to install, and there is two outlets. One outlet to inject the chemicals, and this chemical will be go through this tube, and there is a small holes at every feet distance. From this, the chemical or termiticide will go inside the soil, so that there will be a chemical barrier there. When this all will be filled, the chemical will come outside from this, so that it means the chemical treatment is completed. So we'll discuss again how this works. We have the tube. This tube we used to install at wall and floor junction of any building. Suppose that this is the building, then we'll have to install like this. How it will be installed? Either with the cement and bajri, or we can jam it by the cement and bajri, or we can use it this kind of things to install this. Like this we can put here and you can install. So this tube will be installed. Once the tube installed, we have to use L to bend at the corners. To give more tubes, if the area is longer, then we have to use the T type of junction, so that this kind of a structure can be made, right? Then this jointer also required to add more tubes, if there this kind of jointer to add the tubes. Then this tube has at every feet distance the small holes, and this small is further protected by hard material, and this material is also covered with the metal mesh, which will protect in choking the tube, because no soil particle and no sand particle will go inside the tube, and the tube will remain as it is, and whenever you want to put the medicine or termiticide inside that, the tube will be ready, right? So this is the concept about the tubes. Now what are the material required? Once the tube laid out in this manner, then what you have to do, we have to make outlets. These kind of outlets, one for inside. These outlets will be fitted in the walls of the outer wall, and we have to put this kind of boxes where this kind of will be there, and we have to put like bijli board. See, this is the bijli board. So how the bijli board is put, same way we will have to put this kind of at the 2 or 3 feet height. in any building, right? To make this, to set this, you need this kind of machines to cut the holes. Then to keep it this tube outside the building, to insert this, you require this drill machine to make a hole in the wall. These hammers and all scissors you require for all these things. Then once to put the medicine inside that, you need such kind of motor pump. It's an electrical motor pump through which this one outlet will be in the drum where your medicine will be prepared, and then this outlet will be put inside the tube, and then you will have to on the motor, and there is a control unit from where you will have to control the discharge of the chemical. We'll have to slowly discharge the chemical so that throughout the structure this chemical will go out, and whatever amount you need to put the chemicals there, you will have to decide as per the areas, as far as area is concerned. So this is all about the Termitube installation, how does it function, and where to install, how to install, a practical demonstration made today. Thank you so much.